Importance of saving. Saving the best for last. The importance of money cannot be overstated. More than 96% of Americans agreed in a recent national poll that early monetary savings would help one achieve a fruitful and stable life. Saving is a method of protecting oneself from the various symptoms of illness and natural adversity. While the average adolescent today is more concerned with short-term financial goals such as purchasing a new pair of signature shoes or a brand new car, statistics show that an increasing number of people are beginning to recognize the importance of maintaining a personal savings account. Long-term goals are defined as those that will have a long-term impact if a person's current actions are followed religiously. The following statements outline information and tips on how to begin your money-saving techniques and ensure a happy and financially stable future. Here's a list of the reasons why saving money should take a higher priority in your life. Reasons to save. 1. Investing for future and present needs. Investing today will provide you with flexible financial resources in the future. Keeping at least 20% of your monthly earnings and using the rest for household, personal, and unexpected expenses will undoubtedly help you in your quest for a secure future. 2. Saving for an investment need. Savings can also be a source of future capital for business ventures. 3. Investing for retirement. More than 23% of today's elderly were found to have failed at least once in their lives to save and strategically use their money to prepare for retirement. As a result, these people work their whole retirement career on a job that only pays them enough to cover their basic expenses. Keys to reaching your savings goals. No matter how good our intentions and savings goals are, we should keep in mind that they can fall and touch the following baselines or characteristics. 1. Attainability. Goals should be attainable and attainable without requiring you to do anything unusual or illegal. A little perseverance and hard work are required. 2. Consistency. Changing your goals from time to time due to incidents that may occur in the near future is a sure way to discourage your desire to save. While we must concentrate on the current incidents, we must also maintain our original intent and persevere until you have gathered enough leads to obtain it. If you'd like to learn more, subscribe to this channel. Stay safe and see you in the next video.